Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both the photo and the sticker surface. Pick a high-resolution image at 300 dpi and crop to the sticker's shape. This prevents blurring and misalignment later. Once done, clean the sticker with 70% isopropyl alcohol and let it fully dry so adhesion is strong. Measure and cut roughly 1/2 inch extra margin so you can align precisely. Make sure to have transfer tape and a squeegee ready before moving to the next step. You'll now transfer the photo onto the sticker using transfer tape. This keeps the image flat and aligned. First, laminate the photo or apply a clear protective film. This prevents tearing and adds waterproofing. Then place transfer tape over the image and create 2 small registration marks. Align those with the sticker backing and lift the liner at a 45-degree angle to avoid stretching. Use a squeegee and press from the center outward with steady, firm strokes to expel air, and ensure finish by peeling the transfer tape slowly at a flat 180-degree angle while holding the sticker edge so it doesn't shift. This prevents lifting. Trim any overhang with a sharp knife and let the adhesive cure for 24 hours. Avoid water and heavy handling so the bond strengthens. If bubbles or lifting appear, don't panic. Use a fine needle to release trapped air and press the adhesive toward the edge with your squeegee. If edges still lift, apply heat briefly with a hairdryer and press down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.